Students. Today we will read class 4 subject SST unit number 1. First we will read question answer. Our first question is, how is a globe different from a map? A globe is a spherical shaped ball whereas a map is drawn on paper. Globe is a three-dimensional representation of the world and a map is a two-dimensional representation. Our question 2, how is an ocean different from a sea? A large area of salty water is called ocean. A sea is smaller than ocean and surrounded by land on all or most sides. A sea is also a part of an ocean. Our question number 3, which countries are Pakistan's neighbors? India, China, Afghanistan and Iran are Pakistan's neighbors. Question number 4, write a short note on the smallest continent of the world. Australia is the smallest continent. Its population is 23 million. Australia does not have any country other than Australia itself. Question number 5, how many countries are there in Africa? There are 54 countries in Africa. Now we solve our exercise. Firstly, we will solve our activity on page number 7. Fill in the blanks with correct directions. India is located in the dash of Pakistan. Here is answer: east. India is located in the east of Pakistan. The Arabian Sea is in the dash of Pakistan. The Arabian Sea is located in the south of Pakistan. Pakistan shares borders with Afghanistan in the dash. Pakistan shares border with Afghanistan in the north. China is located in the dash of Pakistan. China is located in the north of Pakistan. Iran is in the dash of Pakistan. Iran is in the west of Pakistan. Question number 2, choose the best answer. Number 1, which one of the following is an ocean? Options are Europe, Africa, Pacific. Here ocean is Pacific. Which of these continents is the smallest in area? Australia, Asia, South America. Australia is the smallest in area. Which continent is the largest in terms of area and population? North America, Europe, Asia. Asia. Asia is large by area and population. Which one of the following is not an ocean? Options are Atlantic, Indian, Antarctica. Here answer is Antarctica. Which continent is covered with ice? Options are Europe, Antarctica, Australia. Answer is Antarctica. Now we solve our fill in the blanks. Our first fill in the blanks is, the surface of the earth is made of dash and water. The surface of the earth is made of land and water. Answers are given. Your notes. Here is land. Second is here, third, fourth and fifth. Now we solve here. The dash is a model of earth on a small scale. The dash globe. Globe is a model of Earth on a small scale. A map shows dash representation of a place. A map shows graphical representation of a place. There are dash countries in Asia. There are 48 countries in Asia. 48. The fourth largest continent is dash. The fourth largest continent is South America. Now we solve our yes or no. Our first statement is a map is handy and can be carried anywhere easily. Our answers are present. Here is true false. Yes or no are present here. Now we solve on book. A map is handy and can be carried anywhere easily. Yes. A globe can show all the details about the place. Yes. Germany, Italy and France are in South America. No. A large area of salty water is called ocean. Yes. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with land. No. Now we solve our match the column. Here is present continents and oceans. Now we will tell which is continent and which is ocean. Options are Atlantic, Europe, Pacific, Indian, Africa, Asia and Australia. Atlantic is an ocean. Atlantic is ocean. Europe is a continent. Europe is a continent. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Africa continent, Asia continent and Australia also a continent. 3 is a ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Thanks.